Welcome to NetSuite SuiteSuccess demonstration for restaurants. In this video, we're going to demonstrate financial reporting. I'm going to assume the role of a Chief Financial Officer. As you can see, this dashboard contains key financial metrics specific to the CFO, KPIs, reminders for actions I need to take, shortcuts to key functional areas, and charts for trend monitoring. Let's spend some time on the KPIs portlet and the subsidiary navigator. Right now, these KPIs go across all the restaurants in your organization. If I want to take a look at KPIs for a specific restaurant or specific region or group of restaurants, I can simply click on that part of the org structure and get updated KPIs. NetSuite gives you the ability to custom tailor your business's structure to incorporate reporting needs of your business. Elimination subsidiaries may be created at each level to ensure proper roll-ups when you have intercompany business to account for seamlessly. Now let's look at reports in more detail. As you can see from the report list, all key financial reports are available out of the box with the ability to customize. There are multiple ways to run reports, from a shortcut, from the menu path, or from a KPI. For instance, if I select the revenue metric from the KPI portlet, I'm taken to an income statement. From the report, I have several built-in options to slice and dice the data, but before doing that, let's drill down to see detail. You can see that with a few clicks, I go from a high-level KPI to the very lowest transaction level. Also notice this is a check-level detail received from the point-of-sale system. All data, guests, items, sales, order types, and day parts can flow into NetSuite. NetSuite has a pre-built connector for Micros point-of-sale customers, but the system supports many other point-of-sale options via partner integrations. For instance, Toast, Brink, and more. Let's go back up a couple of levels to the income statement. Notice the options at the bottom of the report. You can select dates for the report. You have the ability to select the subsidiary you want to see in the report. In the column field, you're able to really dive into areas of your business. NetSuite has predefined segments for restaurant business needs. Product category allows you to quickly see what product categories are the most profitable, like meat, produce, or dairy. Revenue Center lets you measure performance of various revenue centers across your business, like your dining room or your bar. Daypart allows you to quickly measure the performance based on time of day and the day parts that you've defined. Order Type allows you to measure various order types across your business. For example, you can compare your takeout business versus your dine-in business. It's important to understand that you define the values for each of these segments and control how you categorize your data. These segments can apply to all transactions, meaning you can segment any report in the system the same way. You can also schedule all of these reports to be automatically delivered to you and your team's inbox. And you can easily customize and save reports based on your preferred outputs. This is a chart we've created that shows sales by location and by day part. The final item I want to highlight is NetSuite's ability to support statistical accounts and include them in reports. In this report, we've created a statistical account to record labor hours for each restaurant. We then added in a formula to show labor hour per revenue for each location. This is just one example of the way statistical accounts can be used. They can be used to perform expense allocations based on labor, restaurant size, or virtually any metric you want. Thank you for watching this demonstration. If you have any questions, please reach out to your account manager.